The weather outside is frightful. Yes, the weather outside is getting cold for a lot of people here in the US. We're getting some of them frigid temperatures, right? But what's not frigid is DeckTok. DeckTok has some of the best lights out there, 100%. So if you're new here, I'm Thomas with Tomology. I do reviews of different products. I'm just all across the board on products. So that's what I do is I love reviewing tech and gadgets and bringing some of the best ones for your hard-earned money. There's just so many companies out there that are just bringing phenomenal products, and literally DeckTok is one of them. So we're going to see if this one's actually awesome by DeckTok as well. This is their string lights, or what people call bistro lights. So that's what these are here. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I'm not going to hang mine as regular bistro party lights out in the backyard. Not just yet. Not until springtime or right after Christmas, after the new year, because I made a PVC Christmas tree with the bistro lights or the string lights all the way around it. You get a good old Manuel, you get a remote control, you get the power adapter that's connected to the bistro lights, and then you get the bistro lights themselves. I'm not going to go in depth on the app for DeckTok. If you want an in-depth of everything that these apps or that their app does, go ahead and check out the permanent lights. I'll leave a link in the description, or check out my videos. Probably in the playlist at the end of this video here. I go through everything, but real quick, I will show. Go ahead and put up on the screen now. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pair this one. I have it plugged in. It is blinking red as you see on the screen. We're just going to go ahead and tap that add button at the top, add device, and it finds it instantly, 100%. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and connect these to my Wi-Fi. So now that it's searching for my Wi-Fi, I'm going to go ahead and just let it do its thing. It takes maybe 30 seconds or so, roughly 30 seconds to do it. When they do, you'll see it flash like a green or a different color once it's done being in the pair mode. As you see now, there's the green, and they are Alexa compatible, and they almost like Matter, but it's not Matter. But Alexa sees them right off the bat, and so now you can go ahead and program with Alexa as well, which I'll do all that later. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit done. So now here's my string. I'm leaving everything at default because you can only put one bistro. If I had any negative real quick, this is the only negative I have on these string lights, is you cannot connect more than one strand of these and continue around. So you have to have an outlet for each one of these. That to me would be the only drawback that I see whatsoever. But again, they are bright. They are awesome. You're going to see whenever I light up the tree. Hopefully the tree comes out perfect, but we're going to see. I mean, I'm trying to go all out for Christmas this year. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit confirm. And then here you go. You got your colors. You can come in here. You can change them whatever color you want. You want them red. You want them blue. You know, you can just change whatever. You can come here to the color palette, and then you can go to festive and just say Christmas, because the weather outside is frightful. I'm not a singer. But anyways, so there we go right there. Again, this is going through some. You got different scenes. You got mood. Go ahead and hit some summer going on. What's really cool about these bistros versus the competitors out there that I've seen so far that I've been looking at is in between the big light, there are little bitty itty LEDs that go in between them. So you don't have just a light and then dead space, a light, dead space. You got lights all the way through it, which is really, really nice. Again, the only thing that I wish was different is that you can put more than one strand on these. They are Alexa and Google compatible. They are 45 feet. They are IPS65, which means is the how much water can be touched on these. Hey, it's just, I'm ready to get this Christmas going. It's just a 10th day of November. I started decorating November 1st, and I keep adding and 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 adding. All right, so this is what I have so far for my Christmas tree. I got a PVC in the middle. It goes up 10 foot. I forgot the pipe. I'll try to leave it up on the screen real quick of what this pipe right here is called. So at the top of the PVC, I screwed in some screws at the top just to lay over the bistro lights or the string lights over them. The only thing left I have to do is I'm going to put some garland around the center and some garland around the base right here just to hide the wire just a little bit. A lot of people take red tape and go on it, but I have 3 strands of bistro lights on here, or DeckTok string lights. So getting all ready for Christmas, of course. And then I had another set. I thought it was going to take 4 of them, and it didn't take 4 to do this. I mean, I could have. So the other one I put right here on this tree right here. So it almost makes it look like a Who tree from Whoville. So from the Grinch, which is pretty cool. And it kind of ties it in that the tree here kind of ties in with this one right here just to go up. So I'll be back here in just a little bit and y'all be seeing what it looks like at night. Not only are these deck talks super bright, man, they're super versatile. So I mean, you can throw these on the ground in your rocks and your landscaping. You can make a tree like what I did for the holidays this year. You can string them up on the back of your patio, put them on your fence, do whatever you want. Literally, they are bright, they are customizable, they're really, really nice. Again, the only downfall that I have on these, the only negative I have is you got your 45 foot and you cannot add no more to it. I just think it would have been really, really nice to be able to extend at least two strands, at least two. That's just my personal opinion. But one strand, I mean, they're pretty long. I mean, you can do quite a bit with them. You just got to make sure you have enough outlet space, or you got to get your outlet adapters. Go one in, four out, depending on how many sets that you want. Oh, these deck talks again, bright, customizable. I'm loving deck talk. I'm loving everything about them. Go ahead and check out right here. I'll go ahead and throw up some more deck talk videos right here. Check out these, and I'll show you what these right here can do as well. I'm Thomas Tomology. I'll catch you in the next one.